In a world where progress never stops, where movement is vital, and where connections pave the way for growth, there lies a dynamic and transformative force: the railway system. We believe that the future of efficient, safe, and modern railway systems can be found at the crossroads of cutting-edge technology and the limitless capabilities of the human mind. Having been a driving force inside the railway ecosystem for more than 100 years, we believe that it is our purpose to transfer this experience and leadership into the world of digitalization, software development, and data management, taking the traditional railway assets to the next level. Our solutions are based on vast amounts of data, technologies, and the holistic digitalization of critical assets to make data a relevant and intelligent management tool for creating sustainable, profitable, safe, and flexible railway ecosystems. We focus on creating solutions that look and feel alive, using the speed, flexibility, and interoperability of our ecosystem to transform traditional assets into modern, digital versions that seem alive and human. We aim to lead the transformation of reactive legacy systems to proactive, predictive, and prescriptive ecosystems that enable efficient and modern management of railway tracks. Solving actual problems. Everything we do is making sure that our customers are able to create and manage the most efficient, reliable, and high-performing railways in the world, in the smartest way possible. Welcome to zentrak, the intelligent ecosystem of railway systems.
voestalpine, one step ahead.